guys, this is the tornado siren and I've been telling you about. That's at Worthington, Ohio, at Hartford Park.
Yep, we're here
and it's about to go off in 2 minutes.
At 12 o'clock, and here we are. This is Hartford Park. There's the baseball diamond.
And we can tell you everything
basketball
about
court. And it's really just a big field. It's across from the Worthington Library, the old Worthington Library. Here's where you park.
And when you go here, we'll show you the signs. This is on Hartford Tree.
Yep, right across from the library. And here's the tornado siren. It already rotated. It's getting ready to go off.
Yeah, it's about to go off any minute.
What time is it, Kenyon?
It's 11:59, and the siren's about to go off.
So we'll just hold it here until it goes off. It's going to be very loud, so brace yourself.
It's going to be very loud. It's going to be very loud. Record it slow. Is it 12 yet, Mom? Look.
Any minute now. What time? What time? What time, Kenyon? There's the 12 o'clock. Here it goes. I hear spinning around. Here it comes back around.
Is it over?
No.
It goes off. It's
gonna go off again.
Mom, look
folks.
at my hands.
Cover your ears, because it's coming back.
I'm not even scared of it.
I told you it wasn't that loud.
Point out the siren.
I am, look.
How many minutes is it gonna go off now? It's about to go. It's already 12, but it's about to go off again. It goes off 2 times.
Just waiting for it to go off a second. Look at Mark. I got it. I got it. Spinning around.
Again, Mom.
Hear them everywhere. You can hear the sirens all over the place going off. You hear them, Kenyon?
There's one on Double and Granville Road.
You hear them? Listen.
It goes off again soon.
I think it's done.
So it might go off again. That was loud.
Scared Marley half to death. Cass, you let her eat dirt, man? Look at her face.
I've got dirt on my hands. This is the last time.
I think it's done.
Guys, that's it for today. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.